Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, fellow entrepreneurs of Los Santos. Ever feel like you're constantly short on cash in GTA Online? Earning money is absolutely key to unlocking all the cool stuff this game has to offer, from luxurious penthouses to powerful military vehicles. It's not just about showing off, it's about accessing new gameplay and making your time in Los Santos truly rewarding. So let's dive into some of the best ways to fill your virtual bank account. When you're just beginning your criminal empire, focus on the basics. Contact missions are your best friend. They're straightforward and offer a good payout for new players. Don't forget to try out races or death matches. They can be surprisingly lucrative, especially if you're good at them. Also, keep an eye on those daily objectives and weekly bonuses. They can provide a nice boost to your initial funds. These early steps build a solid foundation. Once you have some capital, it's time to invest in legitimate or not-so-legitimate businesses. Properties like a motorcycle club, a bunker, or even a vehicle cargo warehouse are excellent mid-game investments. They produce goods passively, which you then sell for significant profits. And remember, a nightclub can actually link up with your other businesses, generating even more money for you while you're busy elsewhere. It's all about strategic growth. For the serious earners, high-level heists are where the real money is. The Cayo Perico heist, for example, can be run solo and offers incredibly high payouts, making it a go-to for many. The agency, with its security contracts and daily safe income, is another fantastic investment. And for something a bit different, the Acid Lab provides a mobile and very profitable business, perfect for those on the go. These options truly scale up your earnings. To truly maximize your earnings, always check the weekly bonuses for extra cash on missions or business sales. If you're doing a big sale, try finding a solo public lobby. It greatly reduces the risk of other players interfering. Lastly, if you're serious about the Cayo Perico heist, investing in a Kosatka submarine will make it much easier to start and complete, streamlining your biggest payouts. Keep these tips in mind to get rich faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.